As we planning restoration this front line, we plan to put here 40 grafts per centimeter square. This temple is suitable for Afro-American hairline.
Hi, my name is Eyebrow. I'm from Illinois in the United States of America. I heard about Grace Touch Clinic. I actually saw it on Instagram and I decided to try it out. And so far the staff are excellent. They have everything all programmed out for you. Your hotel stay, they pick you up from the hotel for your procedure. Then they still give you aftercare after the procedure. Then back and forth, even from the airport, from my arrival day, they picked me up and took me to my hotel. The doctor assured that at every point in time he communicates with me, even before I got here to Turkey, and he liaised with me. City is beautiful. I went everywhere, saw everything. I made sure I mentally prepared myself for the procedure. The second day, he had to pick me from the hotel to do some shampoo and put some other things in there. And it's been a wonderful experience so far. All the staff are excellent. The doctor himself is a very humble and he knows what he's doing, absolutely. And I can tell you, this is a worthy experience for me. Thank you.